Worried that your Apple Pay notifications are going to the wrong number? Don't sweat it. I'm going to walk you through updating your Apple Pay phone number in a flash, keeping your mobile payments secure and stress-free. First, unlock your iPhone and head to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on your name at the very top to access your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Personal Information. Now, tap on Phone Number here. You'll see a list of phone numbers associated with your Apple ID. To add a new trusted phone number or remove an existing one, tap the Edit button in the upper right corner. You can now add a new phone number or delete an existing one after deleting the old one. Enter your new phone number and follow the on-screen prompts to verify it via SMS. This usually involves entering a verification code sent to your new number. To ensure the changes reflect across all your devices and cards, open the Wallet app and tap on each card individually. You will need to ensure that the updated phone number is reflected across all payment cards. To finalize, keep an eye out for a confirmation notification or email from Apple confirming the phone number change. By doing so, this ensures that the changes have been successfully implemented and that all future transaction notifications and verification codes will be sent to your new number. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your Apple Pay phone number. Stay secure and happy spending. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.